In this video, we will introduce you to the top 5 best stacked washer dryers. We made this list based on research, quality, and customer reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned in this video, be sure to click the links in the description box below. Before we continue, kindly subscribe and click the bell icon so you won't miss out on our new videos. So, here are the top 5 best stacked washer dryers. Number 5. GEGUD27HBA Compact yet reliable, the GEGUD27HBA Unitized Space Maker is a smart solution for tight spaces like apartments, condos, or small homes. It features a 3.8 cubic foot washer with stainless steel basket and a 5.9 cubic foot dryer, giving you just the right balance of performance and convenience. With 11 wash cycles, it's designed to handle everything from delicate fabrics to heavy-duty loads. Automatic water level sensing ensures efficiency, while simple rotary controls make it easy for anyone to use. Space-saving and affordable, this GE model is built to deliver dependable performance for everyday laundry needs without taking over your home. Number 4. Electrolux ELTE7600AW The Electrolux ELTE7600AW laundry tower delivers impressive cleaning power in a compact design. Featuring a 4.5 cubic foot washer and a spacious 8.0 cubic foot dryer, it's perfect for families who need efficiency without sacrificing capacity. Smart Boost technology premixes detergent and water for a deeper clean, while LuxCare wash and dry systems ensure fabrics are gently but thoroughly cared for. With Energy Star efficiency, you'll save on utilities while getting outstanding results. This laundry tower also reduces wrinkles and keeps clothes fresher with advanced moisture sensors. Elegant, effective, and eco-friendly, Electrolux makes doing laundry less of a chore and more of a win. Number 3. LG WKGX201HBA The LG WKGX201HBA WashTower is the perfect blend of smart design and efficiency. With a 5.0 cubic foot washer and 7.4 cubic foot dryer, it's built for heavy-duty laundry days while saving precious floor space. Its center control panel is placed conveniently at arm's reach, so you'll never stretch or strain to adjust settings. AI technology takes the guesswork out of laundry by detecting fabric type and load size, while TurboSteam and TurboWash 360 deliver fast, gentle, and powerful cleaning. Add in ThinQ app connectivity, and you've got a laundry powerhouse that makes every load easier, smarter, and more reliable. Number 2. Samsung WH46DBH500EV Stylish and powerful, the Samsung WH46DBH500EV bespoke AI-stacked washer and dryer combines a 4.6 cubic foot washer with a 7.6 cubic foot dryer, giving you plenty of room for family-sized laundry. With AI-powered smart dial technology, it learns your favorite cycles and simplifies laundry with one-touch operation. Its super speed cycle washes clothes in under 28 minutes, while the dryer delivers a quick, thorough finish. The sleek bespoke design with brushed black finish makes it a standout in any home. Energy efficient, spacious, and ultra-modern, this Samsung model is designed to save time, protect fabrics, and look stunning in your laundry space. Number 1. LG WKGX201HBA WashTower The LG WKGX201HBA WashTower is the ultimate space saver without compromising on power. With a 4.5 cubic foot washer and a 7.4 cubic foot dryer, you'll tackle large loads with ease. Its AI fabric sensors automatically adjust wash motions and drying temps to protect your clothes, while TurboWash 360 degrees and TurboSteam ensure faster, deeper cleaning. The allergen cycle even removes up to 95% of allergens, making it perfect for families. Plus, with ThinQ technology, You can monitor and control your laundry remotely. Sleek, smart, and efficient, this WashTower makes laundry day faster, easier, and healthier for your household. And there you have it, the top 5 best stacked washer dryers that bring together convenience, technology, and performance. No matter your choice, you'll enjoy faster, easier, and more efficient laundry days. If you're interested in buying any of the products mentioned in this video based on your needs and budget, kindly click the links in the description box below. We'll also be looking forward to seeing your suggestions and comments. If there is a product you'd like us to review, let us know in the comments section and our research team will be happy to make a review of it. Kindly subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.